So today we're working on a Volkswagen Golf 1.4 GT TSI. This is the one with the supercharger and the turbocharger, the 170 brake. We've got a check engine light. If you accelerate and it goes on into boost, it will judder and shudder and won't drive particularly nicely. So let's get straight into VCDS. We'll check what codes are there. So I click on engine, and then we'll click on fault codes. So straight away we've got camshaft position sensor, G40, signal out of range, P3008, which I already know is quite common on these cars. It's to do with the timing chain. It's going to be that the timing chain is stretched, and that will give you the position sensor will be seeing the position of the sprocket either too early or too late, which means it's just out of range, and it won't like that in correlation with the crankshaft position sensor. Scroll down, we've got boost pressure control valve N249, mechanical malfunction intermittent, so it's P3261. Now I also know that this is a very common problem, and this is the diverter valve. The membrane inside splits, and basically boost will be released from the pressure side of the turbo too early, so that when you go on boost it won't hold the boost, and it'll give you the juddering which I'm feeling. So that will need a new diverter valve. What else have we got here? Another camshaft position sensor error, implausible signal, intermittent, P0341, which is going to be the same as the first fault, which is going to be the timing chain. It's going to need timing chain tensioners, new sprockets, the works. And then cylinder 4 misfire. Well, that I will temporarily ignore until I fix the other two problems. I can't be sure whether that's actually a fault or whether it's just a symptom of the root cause, which is the other two aforementioned issues. What is that? Well, this is at atmospheric pressure. It's not even under boost. Atmospheric pressure is like 1000 millibar. So it wasn't under boost. It was just in normal running. Cruising RPM by the looks of it. So yeah, could be spark plug, could be ignition related, but also I have to fix the other two problems first. So that's what we're going to do.